Hello, people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time. So, happy new month of December 2021. Wetin we wan talk about today, my bat with the parents. Una know say this Europe, e get as dey take dey. So, our children wey dem dey collect for this Europe, e don too much o. Na we the parents, na we go open our eye for our children. That is open eye for children, no be say make we dey beat them. Make we dey look after our children well well. Make we no dey beat our children. We know say this Europe, children, some dey respect, some no dey respect. So you the parents, no be by the shout say na you just do this one, you just do this one, you just dey shout. No be by the to shout na pikin go take lis ten to you. No. If children do anyhow, all this they get telephone wey they take dey talk, they get computer, all this thing wey they take dey do game. If they do anyhow, collect the computer from them, the game wey they dey do, make the parents collect am from them. Una go seize am like 2 to 3 days. So if that pikin see say you seize that computer reach 2 to 3 days, na him go come and say, mama, abeg, give me that my computer. That thing when I do that day, I no go do am again o. So our children wey they collect, e don too much o. Make we dey look after our children well well. Number one, if our children dey go school, the cloth wey they wear. If they go school, na school dey for dey look them. Una know say cloth dey, cheap one dey, expensive one dey. Buy am as your hand reach. If the cloth dirty, wash am, iron the cloth well well. If the cloth iron well well, if the pikin wear am go school, e go look fine. Make we dey know how to do all these things. If our children dey fine well well, if they fine well well, if they go school, if they see am, they go comot their eye for the children body. But if children go school, they see the pikin as e take come school, the cloth wey mama just wear am, the cloth wey papa just wear am, the cloth no even fine. And they no iron am, e just the cloth just squeeze. So na from there they put eye for our children body. May we use our sense. Children wey they don too collect for this Europe, e don too many o. E get one woman wey they collect the children. This woman, they carry am go Africa. The 2 children, we no know where they put, we no know where they carry the children go. So if you do no zomo, if you do no go me, evini mare bawe de nena. Ruda abari oba nirisi na. Veni ya vi my move webuna. Mama like ye. No na de ma. If not say ni mama na like na ma ni parents or ya etigba vi masi. E monirisi inya misbehave inya ujuri. Ba no be adwa shati. Or ya ze o money ya nijeta or nerata. If do no zomo, if do no go me. E mona misbehave inya veni ya kwe computer inya ve telephone. O etisi zele 2 to 3 days. Ovi okanyo hive buya de vije la wogo. Evini uwe deri oni iwe regbe hiwe. If do no zomo, if do no go me. Ni mala wogo. Ni magi kweni ya hivi mamo. Ni mas try. E mona vamu we bona ema. Wa vamu yona agbinya. Inya ya eria, inya ya esaka. Kavinya vijinya miena. No na do vamu yena. Ni mala wogo. Iye, o ma easy. So keke ni ma control. Ni ma control egbima. Ve no ya balo ni veni ya we no ma hiya ni. Utie, evina na no una. Degbe iwe. Omu awa we mi pe, o wa mu bine ona we no ma hiya. Utie, evina una. Gun degbe mi ogu we. Ovi okanyo hiya vetave nye onje. Ni mala wogo. E monavari oba vi mai. Obun gbe visi. Obun gbe moni makwa nye gbe bi. Ijo mwe do mo le 9 months. Iye wa vio. Ayen ke na vi anje. Ayen ke na vi ayen dede ayen continue ya vi anri. Ina do mi bokpa. ihi mi bokpa ebohu ona khamame owe moni ya vimai ni bun stay ye Europe na outside Europe ave rich emani wa fi eyan viogi iyan vi so imo iyan deport jiyan o wa ro video ni me mi o ni live video na iyan mi jiyan mo iyan deport jiyan e meva iyan vi se 20 something years na my destination iyan vinyari ni mala wogo ibia ka ujore ibia ka ujore na ni mala wogo ni ma ga gbiyan ni ma gba ri mercy kere no ọmọ no re 10 years is kere 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 years osun awo ge ọmọ no mo 10 years la wogo gba wowo esi very soon 8 years come your 10 years oga 18 years o me 8 years ahen do mo o me 8 years o se no wogo boy ne iye do nu zo mo o me 18 years ni ma la wogo manage mo mane avere mo ya fefefe ave parents ya fefefe ọmọ no ri 18 years we ti o salobua osun awo gene o me driving license ne no be wo enwina o ji wina ne no be je school o je vero university ne ni mala agwụgwọ avere mo vision mo ni ma gi kweni ya vi memo ve ni ma ja nyi da vi ma no you understand avinya na hia vi emo ma emeret na ya gwa but when you ya misbehave that way no ogi na gbiyan all the time wa la agwụgwọ wa si obovo ivie do no zomo ivie do no go wa si obovo ona ovi otakme ni riri ya de gbeje vi ladian vi egene hia vi pegbe bye bye.